We are no longer voting with the DA in all municipalities of South Africa where the DA requires the votes of the EFF. We will also not vote with the ANC. We will participate in the debate. We'll make inputs of what could be a possible solution. And if anything requires a voting, the EFF will abstain from those things of voting. We're not shocked by the DA's statement about people on the pavements, homeless people on the pavements. Majority of them are black people, and the DA has never had interest of black people at heart. We said we are going to be government in June because that's an ultimatum we had given to the DA. The DA said no. The DA said it's not prepared. Remember, we can't be government if the DA and the rest don't come to the party. They refuse with their votes. They don't want to vote for us, but they want us to vote for them. And another fool which is going to masquerade as EFF is going to say, hey, why is the EFF not voting with DA? Hey, I'm disappointed. Go and vote DA yourself. Go and vote. Why are you not voting DA? You want to vote DA through us. Go and vote for them. Go and vote for them. We cannot keep on voting for people who can't vote for us. Power sharing means ngamina ngawen. Give and take. So if they refuse, and we've done it how many years now? From 2016. Still, the DA doesn't appreciate that. So what must happen? It's done, it's finished. It's done, it's finished. There will be motions of the EFF. We can't stop putting motions. We will put motions. We will vote for our motions. Other parties may be interested to vote for EFF motions, but they shouldn't expect that in return we'll vote for their motions. We'll not. We'll rather put our motions and lose on principle. Hey, Tatana Mashatile, I'm disappointed in that guy. Tatana Mashatile has given us summons here. When we said he knows the story of Alexandra Renewal, the reality is that Paul knows. He knows where the money went. He was the leader of the ANC, he was in government. Paul must just explain. But because these courts have created an environment where political speech can be suppressed, we are going to see a festival of these things. So let it be, it's what the courts have taken a decision to suppress political speech in South Africa. When you say you know where the money is, the money has not serviced the people of Alexander, there are no services here in Alexander, from the naked eye we can't see anything, you are corrupt. You must come and say, no, you are talking nonsense. Here is where the money went. This is the road we have built for so much. This is the houses we have built for so much. And all of that, and get out of it. I thought Paul was bigger than that. But Paul takes advantage because he can see, or the koto di latlile. At koto di latlile, you also grab an opportunity to, I can also get something. I can get 500,000. Yo! And then you go and fetch your 500,000 as well. From the funny courts of South Africa, where agrees gets fined 200,000 because of a K-weight. Agiri said that to black people. There's no problem, 200,000. You are fined 500,000 for political speech. That's what the courts of South Africa say. It's less costly to call a K-weight, more expensive to speak politics. More expensive to speak politics. Those are your courts of South Africa. That's where we find ourselves in now. Whereas you can't speak against a member of the Tumamina group. Yes, yes. These courts will kill you. What? They even write in their judgments, the new dawn. The new dawn has brought changes in ESCOM. How does a judge write like that and use a campaigning speech of a politician in a judgment? The Constitutional Court revived my hope when it gave Jiba and Mukhwebi. I don't want them. I don't want them to go back to NPA. But, you know, when the court said, they too are South Africans, they deserve the law. It doesn't matter how much you hate them. They deserve the protection of the law. The Constitutional Court revived my confidence. I was hopeless, but Ngugai Toby once said, well, we need to find a proper case and go to Constitutional Court so that the Constitutional Court can also tell us if it's part of the New Dawn. Because the Constitutional Court can't be part of the New Dawn. It remains the Constitutional Court because there is no New Dawn Constitution. It is the same Constitution. Wire.